Coreo is built into the heart of every MultiCam machine tool. With it, you can control all of your cutting processes from a single software package. Whether demand calls for a laser, plasma, water jet, router, or knife, you're ready with Coreo. Coreo is easy to use and allows you to begin cutting in as few as 2 clicks of the mouse. Open a file and click Execute to begin cutting. Operators interface with their machine using their preferred method, graphically or with G-code. Maximize your throughput and part quality by making quick changes at the machine without having to go back to your CAM software. Coreo increases efficiency through multitasking. The Simulate function allows the operator to validate the next job while simultaneously running the present job. The job queue increases system productivity by sequencing jobs waiting to be cut. Coreo supports Industry 4.0 and Internet of Things. With one-click troubleshooting, Coreo automatically captures and forwards all relevant data needed by MultiCam's technical team. Coreo's built-in reporting tool allows you to track the productivity of a single machine or your entire shop by shift, day, week, or month. Coreo, CNC productivity realized.